It's been a while since my last garden update. Shanghai is sweltering right now, but my bougainvillea is absolutely thriving, covered in blooms. The roses, on the other hand, not so much. Only the Monet variety managed to give me one single flower. Plum-Bagel has been the real hero this season. It loves the heat, flowers like crazy, but it absolutely hates rain just like today. My cherry tomatoes are still pushing out new flowers, but this really isn't the season anymore. And the lemon tree, busy as ever, covered in new blossoms and tiny little fruits. I hope they all make it to harvest.